Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the TL16 GPS drone with camera 4K. A perfect choice for both adults and beginners seeking a hassle-free flying experience. This drone weighs under 250 grams, meaning no FAA registration or remote ID is required, allowing you to enjoy seamless flights across the US. Equipped with a powerful GPS module, the TL16 ensures safer and more stable flights, with intelligent auto-return features to prevent loss during low battery or signal issues. Capture stunning aerial images with its 4K UHD camera, boasting a 110 degrees wide-angle lens, digital zoom, and remote motorized angle adjustments for breathtaking shots. The brushless motors provide robust horsepower, making it wind-resistant and adaptable to various environments, while the 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV transmission offers a smooth and immersive flight experience. Beginners will appreciate the optical flow positioning system for stable low-altitude flights, along with user-friendly features like one-key takeoff, landing and headless mode for easy maneuvering. Plus, with Tolatoyus' dedicated after-sales support, you can fly with confidence knowing help is just a call away. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.